Bring me out alive. Let's go.
Hello and welcome to another day in another video. So you really thought that I wasn't gonna upload again? Please, this is only the beginning. So today, I went Christmas shopping, bought a bunch of gifts for everybody. I bought myself one of yeah. You know, because I freaking need one. Let's open this sucker. It's got tape. That's not good. Give me a sec. Found something better. My knife. That apparently is broken. Ta-da! Oh. Danger, kids. Do not use this. Alright, let's get this sucker open. There we are. Come on, open up, you spaz. Oh, Jesus. Come on. Can't be that hard. Oh, that's right, there's two more. God, they always double tape. They always triple tape it. God damn it. Cut that open. That open, and we're ready to roll. Oh, hee. Oh. And we have. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, here we go. There's a little power cable. What the heck kind of cable is that? Okay. Oh, okay. This is kind of interesting. Oh, so it... Oh, what? So it clicks in to secure. Oh, that's cool. Set that down because that's not the only thing that I get. I'll mess with you later. The big prize is over there. Look at this baby, look. Yeah. We got two pieces of tape. Easy. Look, I'm unsqueezing. Oh. Got that open. Get that open. Yeah. Alright, this should, like, seriously be easy to open. Oh, come on, I got the tape open. Oh, come on. Seriously? What do you mean? Oh, there's one. Come on. Don't be a douche. There you are. There's the other one. Oh. Here we go. We're making progress here. Black Whip. Oh. Hey, good. Oh, there we go. Oh, dude. It's upside down, but still. Oh, bro. My brand new keyboard. Check it out, kids. Brand new keyboard. Let's pull the sucker out. Huh, manual. Keyboard. And there's the little thing I stick in the back of the computer. Hey, it came with batteries. Huh. Well, I'll be damned. Come on, you fucking piece of shit. Oops, better fill up. Okay. Okay, where did the battery go? Right here. Oh, it's an easy open, right? Oh, there it is. Oh, I bet I already bought a... Well, I guess I'll use this. Let's, shoot. So sorry, but I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Alright, let's see how we put this in here. Okay, so like that. Alright, now that should be okay. Oh, look! Got a little red light. Means it's good. Epic. Ooh, it's got the new feel to it, too. So, if the battery... How do we check the battery? Enter... I wish they had a little battery button right here. You press it and it tells you how much battery left there is. Sweet! I got the dock, got a new keyboard, and I think there's... Yeah, I got these. I don't know what happened to my other sleeping pants, but they're like... They fucking disappeared, so I bought new ones. Yeah, and here's, oh, here's my super duper wallet, since my other wallet is freaking fat right now. So I was like, I'm just gonna buy a new one. Built-in RF shield. RFID shield? Fits 24 cards. Super compatibility buildable. What is RFID? Once, I guess, let's cut that open, I guess. Give me a sec, guys. Let me set you guys up. It's good enough. It's a really sharp knife. Yeah. Cut that. Use. RF shield protected. Okay. Let's take out. How do you take? Oh, okay. Cool, cool. Oh, dude, it's got a double fold. Oh, what? It has like a double thing. Like, look at this. Okay, look at this, guys. This has a double fold. Like, if I fold it this way, and then I can fold it this way. Dude, that's sweet. Where do I keep the change? What? RFD. Can't see it. RFID protection. Cool. But where the heck do I keep my change? There's like no zipper. Huh. Alright. So you close it like that, and then you close it like that. Okay, cool. Sweet. So there's the new wallet compared to the other wallet. It's freaking small compared to the other wallet. Look at this. I'm so tiny. It's like, it's full of stuff though. Like my wallet and or my credit cards and all that. Other than that, that's it. Other more batteries for my, you know, my keyboard. And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, I guess. I guess for now. Peace and double grease. I'm Sladney.